Our top story, another superintendent shakeup at St. Louis Public Schools.
It's a shame that this continues to be a pattern.
Tonight, more fallout for a district in distress.
St. Louis Public School leaders are now tasked with finding both a new superintendent and a new school board member. Thanks so much for joining us. I'm Kelly Jackson.
And I'm Mike Bush. Ben Conover resigned from the board today as the interim superintendent talked publicly for the first time since Dr. Millicent Borishade was fired on Friday. 5 on your side's Brent Solomon is here to explain what's going to happen from here. Brent?
Well, Mike, Conover described a, quote, pattern of unethical behavior, lack of transparency, and toxic governance. He believes the ousted superintendent should have been given an opportunity to address any concerns. Now we're learning someone familiar with the district will steer the ship for now.
Our promise is clear: to keep students at the center of every decision we make.
That's the now interim superintendent of SLPS, Dr. Myra Berry. She once taught special education and recently served as interim chief of human resources for the district.
We will rebuild trust, strengthen relationships, and continue the vital work of educating our city's children.
Her promotion coming as former superintendent Dr. Millicent Borishade was let go less than a year after receiving that role. She replaced Dr. Keisha Scarlett, who was also fired after concerns over finances. Monday, school leaders said the district's finances are in order and that there was no one specific cause for Borishade's termination.
Why, if we have serious problems and we have community concerns and we're not progressing, would you want to keep someone in that place?
The district will have to pay out the rest of Borishade's $268,000 contract through next June.
We keep getting the result of people that come in and try to govern or try to use tactics that may have worked in other districts, but don't necessarily work in our district.
Heather Fleming advocates for public schools through the Missouri Equity Education Partnership.
We really need people that have not just an understanding of the St. Louis community, but also a commitment to the St. Louis community, and that they become part of the community. I think that is one thing that those superintendents who have had staying power have been able to do.
The district will begin a search to find a new superintendent by July. Mike and Kelly.